so let me tell you, I was like, I'm gonna edit this video the same day, and then I'm thinking, well, I'm getting dressed to go to date night tonight, so I was like, I could do the intro when I'm made up, okay? So basically, I just want to come on here and tell y'all about this hair. I am so in love. I'm so in awe. This hair is hands down some of the best hair that I have found. Y'all already know what my mission is and to what I'm looking for on Amazon when it comes to these wigs. That's the whole purpose of my channel, best friend, is to bring y'all some good quality hair that is affordable, and it's just like, you just cannot deny that this is some beautiful hair, right? So this hair is from Name-VeraVicky, okay? Name-VeraVicky, y'all know I leave the name on the screen as well as the link down below. I still have yet to figure out how to do individual links, so I'll just leave my Amazon storefront, but once you click on it, you just go to budget friendly wigs, and then the name of the unit will be there. Click on that, and boom, there it goes. If that is not good, let me know in the group chat, aka the comments, if y'all think that I should start inserting pictures. But I don't want to do that because sometimes they change their pictures. But if y'all want me to do that, I will. So just let me know in the comments, okay? I have worn this hair all day. I had it in a half up, half down, and then I just pulled it all down. And y'all, this hair is dry, and it is so freaking beautiful, okay? Let me tell you, I did not get no compliments on my hair. I got a compliment on my bag that I'm carrying today, but either way it go, listen, they had to see my hair before they seen my bag, and let me tell you something, I got a couple of compliments, alright? So this hair is definitely a compliment or a conversation starter, and I think that it's just adorable. I do. And y'all, this is 24 inches of the Kinky Curly 180% density. How I know that without looking at my phone is because I have did this intro way too many times, okay? I've done this intro about 5 times, okay? I can even tell you the price of this unit without looking at my phone. This unit was $160. It was $159.99, and then I had a $60 off coupon. And it came up to be $107.59 after taxes and shipping and everything like that. So under $110 for a 24-inch baby, okay? Full density curly wig is phenomenal. These knots was so thin. I kind of did over pluck it a little bit, but baby, progress, okay? Y'all have seen me start from the bottom, and now we are here with these installs, and they're only gonna get better. So if you can't stand me now, you're damn sure you'll be able to stand me 3-4 installs from now, okay? But yeah, I was supposed to get this out before Prime, and I did not, so I do apologize, but I'm quite sure that they still have a coupon, so definitely go check this out. I definitely think that you should take advantage and go get you one because it's so pretty. And yeah, it's about 10:30 at night now, and I'm tired, so I'm gonna get off of here, best friend. I hope y'all like this video. If you have any questions, let me know down below. And yeah, so thank you again to Vera-Vicky for sending me over this bomb wig, and shout out to y'all for everybody who's finna go buy and be slaying like your best friend, because that's what we do, and that's on what? Period. Bye, y'all. Okay. Come on in here, girl. So today, baby, I don't even know what I really want to talk about. Because, you know, I told y'all it's really like a little chit-chat when I be doing my wigs and everything like that, honey. This wig was real repetitive, you know. I did not show y'all how I bleached my knots in this. I did not show y'all how I plucked it because, baby, I ain't gonna hold you. This new wig head I got, well, it ain't even new. Won't you why I keep saying it's new? Because it's not new, baby. I been had it. Y'all, before I go any further, I told y'all that later on the doggone wig camp, I be seeing that lady in my sleep. She looks so creepy on that thing, baby. Did y'all see that? Like, for real, she really be looking creepy. But anyways, back to what I was saying. It's not new. I've been had it. I just did not know that I could stick pins in the doggone thing. So I've been struggling, baby. My wigs have not been to their full potential because I did not know that I could do that, okay? Y'all, anyhow, let me go ahead and tell y'all this, baby. So, like I said, I'm giving y'all something new today. I'm trying to give y'all styles, the blonde hair, it's a little half up, half down. This one a little half up, half down. Baby, we trying to get away from the middle part, side parts, bust downs, okay? But anyways, y'all, can we talk about these AI pictures? Is it just me? Like, is it really just me, or is it starting to scare y'all too? Because, like, I've never seen, like, a plus size AI. Like, don't get me wrong, they be real cute and everything. Like, they be looking like the person, but they be taking like 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 pounds off a person. And it's like, because, like, again, it looks like them, but if that's not your reality, like, if you're not, like, that skinny now, I don't know. I just feel like it's giving people a false sense of hope or something like that. I don't know. Like, the baby pictures, like, girl, you got to take into accountability or accountability that your child can potentially come out looking like their daddy or like your mama or like your ancestors. Like, I don't know. Just let me know in the comment down below, because, I ain't going to go too much on that, because, people real sensitive, girl. Somebody be ready to jump down my throat with Jay, you ain't all that cute either, baby. That ain't what I'm saying. I'm just saying. Okay, they done unlocked the new wave of catfishing. Y'all better be careful out there, cause honey, I done seen a couple of them, baby, that don't look like you. That's your features, but that is not you. You is not that small. And you talking about some, I done popped out new. No, baby, you did not. No, you did not. And then y'all want to get on the MUAs and use the filters. Or the people who do hair, they be filtering their hairline. Y'all be, my work don't look like that. That's because, okay? That's because that I'm filtered, baby. Listen, I'm be first to say, baby, you catch me out of public, you might see a little lace, what's the word? Demarcation, okay? Because it's lace, okay? But like I said, let me know in the comments, aka the group chat, baby, if it's starting to scare y'all too. Alright. Okay, so before I go any further, I do want to let y'all know about this hair. Let me tell you, hands down, some of the best hair. Y'all know my other video, my early curly. Ooh. I be talking so fast, I will. But my other curly hair was really good. And did really good on YouTube. But y'all, this is really good hair. Like, the knots was so little. Okay, I bleached it, washed with a little blue shampoo, honey, and it's giving scalp, as you can see. Also, when you cut your lace, make sure you cut in between the hair, because that's how you get that seamless melt. Okay, just want to put that out there. Also, honey, I did overpluck her. Yes, I did, because I went a little haywire with my new/old new wig head. But it's okay, because I was able to finesse it. As you can see, baby, she's still giving what? Realness, okay? Like I said, no AI filter, period. But yeah, like I said, VeraVicky, baby, y'all did y'all big one with this. I definitely want to go and see if they have like straight hair, because like I said, this lace was phenomenal. And not only was the lace phenomenal, like the knots were super thin, and it did come like a little pluck. But like I said, honey, I just want to do a little new spin on my new but old wig stand. So I did go in and do a little bit extra plucking, baby, and she did her big one. Like, while I'm in here, like right now, working on another wig, like, yeah, baby, pluck, okay? And yes, pluck it when it's wet. So also, I want to let y'all know, because I did not include it in this video, I use Nairobi foam mousse, and I use Frizz Be Gone. So I will link it down below, and I will have it on my Amazon storefront. Again, y'all do not have to shop on my Amazon storefront, but if you do, shout out to you, because you're not a hater, okay? You want to see me win, and I want to see you win, because what? We're best friends. Y'all, I be so happy when I be doing these voiceovers. Y'all just see me, I'm over here twirling my toes and everything like that, because, baby, what? Yeah. And last but not least, honey, let me tell y'all something. Why I've been looking at me a little plastic surgery, because at this point, let me tell you something. Everybody be like, yeah, Jay, you done lost weight, but because of the way my body is shaped, honey, you really can't tell unless I got in a little shape well. And then I don't be wanting to have to wear that every day for the rest of my life. So when y'all see me pop out again and tell y'all, yep, I'm going up under the knife, just know. And also, if you want to know how much I done lost, because I am coming up on 1 year at the end of this month, baby, It's actually on my anniversary of me going into full entrepreneurship, and it was a gift to myself to celebrate that. So it's gonna be a little party at the end of the month period. So if you want to see that, make sure you are subscribed, best friend, because what are you doing? What are you doing? And yeah, so I really don't got too much to talk about because we coming to the end of this video, honey. I just did a quick little 1-2-1-2. I basically, did a little half of half down. This hair, like I said, is so freaking gorgeous. It's just so pretty. That the Nairobi, it doesn't, how when you define your curls, a lot of people, let me tell you that too, while I'm talking so much. When you are defining your curls and you want that really defined texture, once you put your products on there, do not touch the hair. Do not comb through the hair. Don't do nothing to the hair. Only thing you should be doing is scrunching the hair and leave it alone and let it dry. Because when you comb through it, that's how you get that poofy hair. That's how your hair be looking like a wolf, like a lion's head. Once you put the product on there, baby, leave it alone. Spray it out with some water. Put the Nairobi on there. Any type of mousse. I like Nairobi. Like I said, I like Nairobi. It's a little expensive, but, it does the job. And your little Frizz be gone. I use the Giovanni kind, like I said before. And like I said, check in the comments. In the description bar, because that is what I'm going to have the products listed. Okay. Every time I be doing a voiceover, baby, that's when my phone want to get blowing up. I really be seeming like I'm real important, and I'm not, because it really don't be nobody. It really don't be nobody. Oh, and shout out to all of y'all best friends who is going over to my Snapchat. I be seeing y'all. I be like, what's up? Yes, best friend, you better support me. Girl, nah. Anyways, yeah, y'all. So thank y'all for adding me on Snapchat. All of my social media is always in the description bar on all my videos. So y'all can definitely go down there and, follow me on TikTok, because I'm starting to do a little TikTok or whatever. And I really be posting on Snapchat. And I'm really on Instagram. Yes, best friend, we is out there. Y'all should comment down below y'all social media too, so I can go and follow y'all back. Because, word on the curb is I don't follow people back, but I really do, because I'm really that girl, period. I just want y'all to know this too. I really hate when people be like, oh, you gotta support me. Listen, if your content is not something that I want to watch, if it's not something that I'm fond of, I don't, I don't want that on my newsfeed. Same thing go for y'all. If y'all don't want to see hair tutorials, I'm not mad if y'all don't follow me. I'm promise you, I'm good. I understand, sister. I understand, best friend. Okay. But if you do follow me, thank you, girl, because I love you, best friend. But yeah, y'all, I had to keep zooming in this little video, because, baby, let me tell you something, honey. Up under them arms was getting a little rough. I gotta go get a little wet. So, okay, don't say nobody. I'm trying to wet so I can, lighten my underarms. Let me know down below in the group chat if that's what you do. But yeah, y'all. And I don't want nobody to talk about me, so baby, I can edit it out. That's what I need. But yeah, y'all, this is the style. As y'all can see, them curls is popping. Like I said, go run and get this wig, because I definitely think that you gonna love it. I ain't gonna never tell you wrong. I'm gonna tell you the truth of the matter. Okay, best friend. But yeah, if you made it this far, let you know that I love you, girl, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, boo.